Hi everyone, I'm going to make today coco-milk with chicken. I have the chicken here sliced already with bones, and of course we have ginger, onion, and bell pepper, and we have also salt, ground coriander, coconut milk of course, and we have black pepper. So add oil. To add our ginger, add the garlic, and onion. And we are going to add our chicken. We have to add salt. I'm gonna add 3 pints of salt. And now we are going to add our coconut milk. And add our bell pepper, ground coriander, Now we are going to cook turmeric rice, and we just add the rice, and we have garlic and pepper seasoning salt, just a little bit, and add your ground turmeric. We just let this mix. It's very simple because you just have to cook the rice and then mix it with turmeric and garlic, salt and pepper. Just make sure that everything is mixed. Guys, our turmeric rice. Just have to make sure that the coconut is cooked, and I want this to be a little bit dry. So now we just boil this until we can get the texture that we want. We have peanuts here, and then I just chop it. Then we have to put in our chicken. But if you don't want to put peanuts in your coconut chicken, then you know that's up to you guys. But we have tried to put peanuts in our chicken, and we just have to mix this really good. It's really creamy. Just wait a little bit more, that it's going to be more creamier. And okay everyone, our coco-milk chicken is ready, and we just have to serve that. Our turmeric rice, I'm just gonna put it in here. Look, perfect. Serve our coco-milk chicken on the top. That's part. It's going to be like that, and we're going to put the sauce on top of it. Everybody, here's our coco-milk chicken with turmeric rice. Hope you guys will like it. Look at that. Hope you guys will like it. Bye.